Assalamu alaikum. My task is to tell about different lasers used for different purposes along with their wavelength. So first of all I will tell about the different lasers used for hair removal. So the options of lasers which we can use for hair removal include long pulse alexandrite, which has a wavelength of 755 nanometer, and long pulsed Nd:YAG laser, which has a wavelength of 1064 nanometer, long pulse ruby laser, which has a wavelength of 694 nanometer, and IPL, which have a wavelength between 500 to 1200 nanometers. Second, we can use lasers for different type of vascular lesions, for hemangiomas and capillary malformations, and for different telangiectasias. The options include pulse style laser, which has a wavelength of 585 nanometer, KTP laser, which has a wavelength of 532 nanometer, Nd:YAG laser, which has a wavelength of 1064 nanometer, alexandrite laser, which has a wavelength of 755 nanometer, and IPL, which has a wavelength between 500 to 1200 nanometers. And thirdly, we can use lasers for different pigmentary lesions, that includes tattoos and different nevi, and the lasers which we can use include Q-switch alexandrite laser, which has a wavelength of 755 nanometer, and the target colors which alexandrite laser targets are brown, black, blue, and green. Then we have Q-switched KTP, which has a wavelength of 532 nanometer. It targets brown, black, red, yellow, and orange. And we have Q-switch Nd:YAG laser, which has a wavelength of 1064 nanometer. The target colors of Q-switched Nd:YAG are brown, black, and blue. And lastly, we have Q-switch Ruby laser, which has a wavelength of 694 nanometer, and which target colors brown, black, blue, and green. And we will use Q-switch lasers for pigmentary lesions, and long pulse lasers for hair removal. And lastly, we can use lasers for tissue ablation, which includes erbium YAG laser, which has a wavelength of 2940 nanometer, and carbon dioxide laser, which has a wavelength of 10,600 nanometer. And we can also use lasers for skin resurfacing, and this includes ablative lasers and non-ablative lasers. And in ablative lasers we can use fractional and non-fractional, and similarly in non-ablative lasers we can use fractional and non-fractional.